Today I woke up with plans to work on my garden, but the rain had other plans. Sometimes we wonder why things don't go our way. But if we slow down and really pay attention, we realize we're being given exactly what we need. My to-do list can wait, because today I have a new agenda. Today, I will choose joy, grace, and a grateful heart.
When I think I'm strong, that's when I fall. Build my house on sand. I forget it all. Little quiet lies saying you're just fine, but my heart remembers whose strength is really mine. So I stand firm in your grace, not in the mirror, not in my name. When I'm slipping, you make a way. Faithful in every trial I face. I run from the fire, I run to your arms, you're my escape. You're my calm, I stand firm in your grace. I stand firm in your grace. Every open door isn't meant for me. Shiny easy roads ending in the sea. But you know my limits, you hold my days. You turn every testing into deeper praise. So I stand firm in your grace, not in the mirror, not in my name. When I'm slipping, you make a way. Faithful in every trial I face. I run from the fire, I run to your arms, you're my escape. You're my calm, I stand firm in your grace. I stand firm in your grace. When my pride says I can do it, let your kindness pull me through it. When the old chains call my name, I remember why you came. You're my shelter, you're my song, you're the one who keeps me strong. So I stand firm in your grace, not in the mirror, not in my name. When I'm slipping, you make a way. Faithful in every trial I face. I run from the fire, I run to your arms, you're my escape. You're my calm, I stand firm in your grace. I stand firm in your grace. Quiet morning, cup of coffee in my hand, reading words that I still struggle to understand. God of hope on the page in front of me. Is this promise really meant for hearts like mine to see? God of hope, fill me with your joy and peace, as I trust that the restless worries cease. By your spirit, let this fragile heart believe, till I overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows from you and me. Oh, oh. Afternoon light finds the corners of my doubt, fear and failure, all the stories I play out. But your kindness cuts a quiet, steady line through the shadows, whispering that future's still my design. God of hope, fill me with your joy and peace, as I trust that the restless worry cease. By your spirit, let this fragile heart believe, till I overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows from you and me. Yeah. Not in what I see, not in what I hold, but in every word your spirit has told. Teach my trembling faith how to breathe and grow, till the smallest seed becomes a tree of hope. God of hope, fill us with your joy and peace, as we trust, let our anxious striving cease. By your spirit, make our tired hearts believe, till we overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows from you and me. Till we overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows eternally. Shadows fall long on this old road, questions crowding like evening cold. I hear that promise you once spoke. I go with you wherever you go. You say be strong, you say take heart. I will not be afraid, I will not fall apart. For you go with me, you will not let me go. Never alone, never forsaken, this I know. Mountains ahead and I feel small. Voices of doubt saying I'll fall. But every step your whisper stays. I will not leave you all of your days. You say be strong, you say take heart. I will not be afraid, I will not fall apart.